In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to help you with your homework. ChatGPT can be a really useful study partner when you use it the right way. It can help you understand difficult material, work through problems, organize information, and improve assignments before you submit them. The key is to use it as a learning tool, not just as a shortcut, so you actually build your understanding and confidence. One of the most helpful ways to use ChatGPT is to understand difficult topics. If you're studying something that feels confusing or too technical, you can ask for a simpler explanation. This works well for subjects like math, science, history, and literature. You can also ask for definitions, examples, and step-by-step breakdowns, so the topic feels more manageable. A good tip is to ask for explanations that match your grade level, because that makes the response more useful and easier to follow. For example, you could say, "Explain photosynthesis in simple terms with real-world examples." That kind of prompt helps turn a complex idea into something clearer and more relatable. ChatGPT is also helpful when you need support solving problems. Instead of only asking for the answer, ask it to walk you through the process step by step and explain why each step matters. This is especially useful for algebra, science questions, and logic-based homework. When you understand how the answer is reached, it becomes much easier to solve similar problems on your own later. You can also use it to check your work, identify mistakes, and learn how to correct them. If you want more practice, ask for similar questions so you can strengthen your understanding through repetition. Another useful feature is research and organization. If you're working with articles, textbook chapters, or other study materials, ChatGPT can help summarize them into shorter, clearer notes. It can also create outlines for essays, reports, and presentations, which is great when you know your topic but don't know how to structure your ideas. This can save time and help you focus on the most important points. For example, you might ask it to create an outline for a report about renewable energy and its benefits. Finally, you can use ChatGPT to review and improve your assignments. It can check grammar, spelling, and clarity in your writing, and it can suggest ways to improve structure and wording. You can also ask it to generate practice questions or quizzes to help you revise before a test or before turning in your homework. If you've written an essay, try asking for feedback on grammar, structure, and clarity so you can make it stronger before submitting it. Used thoughtfully, ChatGPT can make homework feel less overwhelming and a lot more productive.